Hello everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to save a video in a CapCut apps. Now let's get started. First, after you open your CapCut apps and add the video that you want to edit, and after this, after you can edit your video, if you want to save this video, you can click on the this icon at the top, or you can change the resolution. You can go to this this one and this one, so you just click like this, just swipe like this, and after this you can change the frame rate. In here I'm with 25 frame rate, and after you change this one, you can click this one at the top, and after this you can waiting, and now you can go back and open your gallery, and then in here you can see the video has been saved at your phone. I hope you found this video to be helpful. If you enjoy with the content, please consider like, comment, and subscribe down below. Bye bye.